What does 100% silicone really mean when it comes to roof coatings? Hi everyone, I'm Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. You've probably heard contractors or manufacturers say, this is 100% silicone. But what does that actually mean? Let me clarify something important. No roof coating, again, no roof coating is made of 100% pure silicone by weight or by volume. That would actually be impossible and unusable. When we say 100% silicone, we are talking about the type of resin used as the main binder, not the entire formula. It means the backbone of the coating, the binder that forms the waterproof membrane, is pure silicone resin with no acrylic blend and no hybrid chemistry mixed in. But like any professional coating, it also contains pigments, fillers, and functional additives, and those ingredients are necessary for color, performance, stability, and application properties. For example, our SiliconEx 500 is formulated at about 95% solid by volume, which is extremely high, giving you excellent coverage and long-term protection. So yes, it's truly a 100% silicone-based system in terms of resin chemistry, but with full transparency about what's inside and how it performs. If you have any question about our silicone and its application, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to explain. All right, questions, contact us or comment below. Like it, hit like. Want more, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.